Welcome guys! Today we're flying Qatar Airways Economy Class from Doha to London Heathrow. Have you ever flown with Qatar Airways? Let's get started. Welcome to Hamad International Airport. Hamad International is Qatar Airways' main hub, which operates more than 200 flights per day from the airport. The duty-free shopping area is huge. It spans over 40,000 square meters with a wide range of shops and luxury brands. Hamad International was named Best Airport in the World in 2022 by Skytrax for second year in a row. This airport is perfect for connections, as it only has one terminal and is easy to navigate. More than 40 airlines operate from Doha, connecting Qatar to over 170 destinations worldwide. Although the airport is easy to navigate on foot, you can take the shuttle train to get from the main hall to your boarding gate, which is very convenient. Today, we will be boarding our flight to London from gate C1, very close to the main hall. There is a quiet area on the right-hand side if you walk past gate C1. This is a very good option to rest if you have no lounge access. And this is the plane that will take us to London today. A Boeing 777-300ER. Hamad International has these spacious pre-boarding areas where you can wait until the aircraft is ready for boarding. All ready to board. Let's go. There is one jet bridge for business class and another one for economy class. Follow me. This 777 has a total of 354 seats, with 42 business class suites and 312 economy seats in a 3-4-3 config. Today we have an emergency row seat, 35A. The headrest is very comfortable and is fully adjustable. We've got the safety card for this 777 in this small compartment, as well as a sick bag, which hopefully we won't have to use. Here's the pillow you get in economy, which is okay for economy class, but don't expect too much. You also get other things like this headset, a pack with a mask, gloves and sanitizer, and a blanket. We'll take a closer look later. Here is the IFE screen. Good resolution and size, but not as large as Emirates economy screens. The IFE layout is nice and easy to navigate. There are loads of entertainment. The selection of movies is very good and varied. There are movies from all over the world, which reflects the diverse customer base of the airline. We also have a wide range of TV shows and plenty of games to kill some time. I'm a fan of Angry Birds. There is also an entertainment section for kids with plenty of movies. And finally, some info on the airline and Qatar. Love this logo on the seatbelt. The safety video of Qatar Airways takes you across some of their destinations. Do you have a favorite safety video? ready for takeoff. If sitting in an emergency row seat, you can deploy the tray table by opening this compartment. Fairly stable, and you can adjust it by moving it forwards and backwards. On the right, we have this button to recline our seat. Here's the headphone jack, a USB and a LAN port, and the buttons for the reading light and to call the crew. These are the economy class headphones, which in my opinion are above average for economy class. These plasticky ear pads make them quite comfortable and the sound quality is pretty good. The crew served some drinks and cheesy pretzels after takeoff. The mango juice is so good. Annoyingly, you can't interact with the flight map on this aircraft. Disappointing. Qatar Airways provides an amenity kit in economy. Face mask, a pair of socks, dental kit, and earplugs. We also have this comfortable Qatar Airways blanket. Nothing too special, just standard economy blanket. And this is our main meal. We've got a small starter, bread, main course, and dessert. I always go for curry when flying Qatar Airways. Delicious. The bread was a bit dry and wasn't great though. The starter was also very average, but the dessert made up for it. You also get water and a drink of choice, refreshing towel, and stainless steel cutlery with the Qatar Airways logo. There is tea service halfway through the flight, with treats, of course. A great thing about flying with Qatar Airways is that you get 1 hour of complimentary Wi-Fi. Only enough speed for messaging apps though. A snack is also served roughly an hour before landing. This is a chicken pastry. The taste and texture are very good, and it's pretty filling. Welcome to London! What do you think about Qatar Airways Economy Class? Would you pay a premium for it? And that's all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's flight. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.